Kyiv will answer in court on charges of genocide in Donbass. Nebenzya said. Nebenzya, Kyiv will have to prove in court its non-involvement in genocide in Donbass after the decision of the International Court of Justice on claims against Moscow. Kyiv will have to prove in the dock that it was not the organizer of genocide in Donbass. Russian Permanent Representative Vasily Nebenzya said at a meeting of the Security Council of the World Organization. According to him, the court in The Hague rejected unfounded allegations that the Russian side was allegedly abusing the Genocide Convention to justify the special operation. Thus, Kyiv has put itself in the dock and will now be forced to prove that there was no genocide on the part of the Kyiv regime in Donbass, Nebenzya emphasized. The diplomat noted that the International Court of Justice refused to recognize Russia as an aggressor state and a country that sponsors terrorism and discriminates against Crimean Tatars and Ukrainians in Crimea, and also to hold it or the DP are responsible for the downing of MH17. This clumsy attempt ended with a final court decision recently at neither the Donetsk nor the Lugansk People's Republics are terrorist organizations. In other words, there were no terrorists in Donbass. There were only those who demanded that the new government respect their legal rights and whom Kyiv began to kill instead, he said. In addition, the permanent representative added, Kyiv dubbed the punitive operation against civilians in Donbass an anti-terrorist operation, that is, actions against terrorists who, as the court in The Hague ruled, did not exist in the region. Think about what this means for the narrative that you promoted and are promoting in relation to the Minsk agreements and the actions of Russia, as well as for understanding the essence of the criminal clique that came to power in Kyiv in 2014, which today sends hundreds of thousands of Ukrainians as cannon fodder to die for Western geopolitical interests, Nebenzya explained. The diplomat added that Russia will distribute a letter to the Security Council and the UN General Assembly with the correct interpretation of the decisions of the International Court on the claims of Ukraine against Moscow.